Whilst finishing works continue internally at the Ballarat Gov Hub, there's a heavy focus on completing the external elements, including landscaping, the resurfacing of Armstrong Street and the adjoining footpath areas. The conservatory is also near completion, with the custom-designed paving connecting Gov Hub to the Civic Hall being laid.
We've been working on the hard landscaping, which is about complete. We're just finishing off the handrails and getting the DDA compliance officer here to sign off the building, making sure that it's accessible to everyone. And then as well as that, we're completing all the signage and all the information that the CFA needs and all the works to make them happy that the building is safe for occupancy. So we're going through each level and we're finishing off all the minor details just to get it finished so it's perfect for the client. The final works will involve the internal fit out, so we've got plants going in, we've got the last of the furniture going in. And externally we've started to install dirt, we've started to plant trees and flowers and things like that. Just those last finishing touches where the building and the external area meets up with the surrounding footpaths and things like that. To have been working on the project since the start, to have gone from dirt on the ground to 9 metres down into the ground and then slowly bring the building up over time, seeing just concrete and then a timber and steel structure go up, and then for it to finally get finished off with the cladding and then all the internal works, just the amount of detail that is involved in just finishing the project is immense, and the amount of people that it takes. So at times having 200 staff here and actually having to reduce that and still do the same amount of works during COVID. But to be in a position where we are now with only weeks to go until we can get an occupancy certificate, it's incredible. It's been amazing to be a part of.
Stay tuned for more video updates on this exciting project.